Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
I would like to invite you to my birthday party next Saturday.
Thank you for your kind invitation. I wish I could, but I'm afraid I have an important thing to do on that day. But thank you very much.
Oh, that's okay, miss.
I hope your party will be fun.
Thank you, miss.